Making an intro has always been a struggle, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, cut myself off.
I've been in this town so long that back in the city I've been taken for.
So I'm gonna start off with Idle Town because that is very easy. It's only 2 chords, C and G. G. I'm just gonna like move up closer. So, oh, this is so unattractive. You know what, maybe I should move the camera down. Try to go low, low. So first I'm gonna teach you guys how to play a C chord. This is C. Your middle finger, your root finger, chuck it on the 3rd fret and the bottom last string. That is C. I like to teach this as like a little analogy. So you want to grab your 3 fingers. It's kind of like a hamburger. So you've got your pointer finger on this string, 2nd fret, 2nd string down, your 3rd string, the last string on the 2nd fret, and your ring finger is going to go right in the middle. So these two fingers here, they're kind of like your button. Then you've got the meat with your ring finger. So the whole song is just these 2 chords, which is C and G. So for the verse, I did like this picking sort of thing. So what I did was you pluck the 2nd string from the top, and then with your like your cheese fingers, like woohoo, pluck the last string and the 2nd last string together. So like this. Okay, so to do it again, 2nd string from the top, your 2 cheese fingers, and you just pluck the last 2 strings together. So you just keep doing this, alternating between those. So now you want to add your C chord. And then we move on to the G chord, which is our hamburger. So we're going to do the same thing again. 2nd string from the top and your cheese fingers together, pluck together. So that is how I played the verse. I also like to add a capo. So I like to go to capo 5. The chords are still the same, so they don't change. They just kind of move up. Okay, ready? Why am I nervous? This town will never change. People come and go, it's all the same. Speed the roads on our doubting days. To any place that's far away. Okay, now we're getting to this part. This is where we start to do some strumming. So the strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, up, down, up. And that's the whole thing, the whole chorus and the whole bridge and everything. Same chords, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Got it, hopefully. So for the chorus, this is how it'll go. We invent our own little games when the lights out at the stadium play. Alright, and then we're going on to verse 2. And that is basically the same as verse 1, where I've got like this plucking thing going on with your cheese fingers. I hope my analogies are making sense, like your cheese fingers and you've got hamburgers. So that is how you play Idle Town by the one and only Conan Gray. Okay, now we're moving on to 4 chords, 10 songs. For this mashup, we're using 4 chords. So we're using C, you already learned this one, and your G, the hamburger. So we're gonna grab our middle finger on the 2nd fret, top string. This is called A minor. The next chord is called F. Your 3rd finger is still here, and now grabbing your pointer finger, you want to grab it and chuck it onto the 1st fret, but the 2nd string. This is called F. So C, G, A minor, F. So now you've got that down tight, our 4 chords C, G, A minor, F. Now you can officially play 10 different songs. So the chords are the same for the entire song. Same thing, same order, whole song, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So in the beginning I played Paparazzi and I used the same plucking thing that I did for Idle Town. So that was the 2nd string from the top and your 2 cheese fingers doing the 2 bottom strings together. I'm your biggest fan, G, I'll follow you until you A minor love me, Papa, F paparazzi. This is hard. And then we're going on to I'm Yours. The same chords, same strumming pattern that I taught you guys, down, down, up, down, up. So it goes, well, you done me in my bed, I felt it. I've tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Alright, and the next song is Demons. Same thing again. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's when my demons hide. It's when my demons hide. So after Hey Soul Sister, hey, 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 I I go on to Bruno Mars's Lazy Song, which is, I just like strummed it like once, then I kind of paused it. So I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the fans. And then same thing, She Will Be Loved, All My Friends. So once we get to Bruno Mars's Count On Me, this is where I'm gonna change the order. We're gonna do F first, F, A minor, C, G. Keep that in mind. This is just for a bridge though. So it goes, I'll always have your shoulder when you cry. So it's just that Bruno Mars bridge song where the order is a little bit different, but then it goes back to Choice of Van Tooth, which is same order as before, C, G, A minor, F. So yeah, that is the tutorial for those two things, and I hope I didn't have a double tune angle. Please let me know if that was good, if that was bad. Okay, maybe not, don't tell me if it was bad. If you guys do like a cover of like my 4 chords 10 songs thing, that would be awesome. Make sure to link me. This is my Instagram. Shameless self promo. Why am I all good? Okay, I'm just gonna cut myself off again.
I've been in this town so long that back in the city I've been taken for